Does it make sense? But trust me, friends, I have traded so many strategies in all these years. And if you're aiming for a 90% strike rate, you should quit trading. You will never achieve 90% strike rate. It's impossible. Hi friends, this is Mahesh Kamath here, founder of MAK Trading School and a full-time supply and demand trader. Friends, in this video, I'll be sharing some of the trades that were identified by the supply demand zone indicator, since I get a lot of requests regarding some videos on the indicator. In this video, it's a recap of the recent trades. So the first stock that you see on your screen is Cholafin on a daily time frame. There was a rally base drop supply zone identified by the indicator. Stock pulled back to that supply zone on 6th of Jan. From there, we had a very good reaction. Now trade is running in excess of 3:1. A technical target is around the recent swing lows. So friends, what I recommend is booking out partial quantity if you have multiple lots. So generally we trade with multiple lots. So book out partial quantity at a monetary target and then trail for your second technical target. This helps you as a trader, since you partially book out, you have made money on the trade. So now your mindset is very positive and then you can trail for bigger gains. The next stock which was identified by the indicator was PFC. PFC is a drop-based drop level. Stock pulled back to that supply zone on 3rd of Jan, a very sharp reaction from that supply. However, we have booked out entire position around the support level here. If you see, the stock was bouncing here. So friends, we have not caught the entire move. It's not possible for any trader to catch the entire move. So you need not feel bad about it. If you have made your technical target, that's more than enough. So don't try to catch the tops and the bottoms. It's not possible to do that. Yeah. So follow your trade plan and stick to that. Next stock was IRCTC. IRCTC drop-based drop level identified by the supply demand zone indicator. Price pulled back to the supply zone on 3rd of Jan and a sharp reaction from there. So target in excess of 3:1 again achieved in IRCTC. The next stock was Motherson. Strong drop-based drop level identified. Stock pulled back to that supply zone and a very sharp reaction from there. Again achieved our technical targets. Again, on the way down, there is a new supply zone formed, which can provide you an opportunity to again join the downtrend if stock pulls back to the supply zone. So friends, it is not that every trade that you will take will be successful. You will definitely have stop outs as well. So I also wanted to show some of the recent trades which also got stopped out. So the stock was Tata Power. If you see, there's a drop-based supply level over here. I had gone short here. It stopped me out at that supply zone, and from there had a very strong fall, but it's part of trading. So your analysis was right, but it took your stop loss, and I had added a buffer room beyond the supply zone, but still got stopped out and it moved in my direction. That's fine. So that's why I keep saying you need to follow your trade plan. Stick to your trade plan. Stop losses are going to be there. Yeah. So if you see this, I'll just enable the violated zones. So this supply zone also was identified by the indicator. It got stopped out. So next stock which again got stopped out was Bata India. Rally based rally, strong demand zone identified by the indicator. Back here, stopped me out and then again gave technical target. But it's fine. So take your stop loss, stick to your plan. So friends, if you see with this strategy, what kind of strike rates you can get? So you can achieve strike rates anywhere in the range of about 60 to 65%, friends. Easily doable. So you will wonder, being right 60 times, does it make sense? But trust me, friends, I have traded so many strategies in all these years. And if you're aiming for a 90% strike rate, you should quit trading. You will never achieve 90% strike rate. It's impossible. It's all about getting good reward to risk ratios. So if you're getting 3:1 kind of reward to risk ratios, still with a 50% strike rate, you can make excellent returns in trading. My advice to all the new traders is focus on making big when you're right and losing small when you're wrong. So friends, it's important that you stick to your plan and follow that. And it's not that blindly I will trade every zone that is plotted by the indicator. No, the indicator is just a starting point because there are so many stocks that I follow. So I don't trade every stock listed on the exchange. However, my trading universe is restricted to the FNO list, but still that is 200 and odd stocks in the FNO list as well. So out of that, how do we filter out on opportunities? So use the indicator as a starting point. Indicator gives you an alert. Yes, there is a zone formed on this particular stock, and then we apply the entire trade planning process. So if you also want to learn about the entire trade planning process, want to learn about supply demand trading strategy in depth, all you need to do is just click on the link that is there in the description and join me for my upcoming workshop where I'll share the nuances on supply demand trading with you. So thank you, friends.